What will you do with 20k? Gate.io is willing to offer you 20k if you can help it get what? 850,000 followers. Right now, the total number of followers at Gate.io is about 742,000 followers. So if you can help Gate.io get to 850,000 followers, then you should go ahead to first of all follow Gate.io, like and retweet the pinned post. Alright, so go to Twitter right now and follow Gate.io, like and retweet the pinned post, tag 3 of your friends and invite your friends to increase your chances of winning. Also, a link to join this particular giveaway has been dropped in the description box. Do well to check it right away. If you have not gotten started with Gate.io, Gate.io is one of the top 10 cryptocurrency exchange in the whole world. How about that? Go ahead to sign up immediately and fund your account accordingly. The video on how to sign up on Gate.io as well as how to fund your account has been made, and you should do well to check it up there now. Gate.io is bringing great innovation to the crypto community. What are you waiting for? Go ahead to join this particular giveaway and stand a chance to win 20,000 USDT. Okay, so even if you can't take all that money home, I'm sure you should be able to share of it. That is easy money, don't you think so? Remember to support us and our channel by smashing that subscribe button right away. Trade responsibly. Peace out.